morning and welcome to today's class. Today we have to take a new unit, that is oscillations. Oscillations and wave mechanics, these are the parts of this unit, and here in oscillations we must see what are the different types of motion. A specific motion is not a straight line motion, not a circular motion, but rather it is in fact harmonic motion or simple harmonic motion, just damped motions like this. And we begin with the term periodic motion. Periodic motion. What is periodic motion? Any motion which repeats after at each equal interval of time. Any motion, a motion which is repeated in equal interval of time is called a periodic motion. Okay. Now, what we have, that is how we define periodic motion. Any emotion, in fact, any motion or any motion or emotion which is repeated in equal interval of time. Is it equal interval of time is called periodic motion. That means the same point is reached by a particle which is executing this type of motion, periodic motion. कैसे मैं इसको explain करूँगा? जैसे मान लीजिए कि कोई एक we take the atom where the electron can revolve around the nucleus in a fixed interval of time, it again reaches the same very point. In the same way, when we say the motion of planet around the sun is at the center, and around which after equal interval of time, around say 365 days, it covers a complete revolution. So this is how we say that this is the periodic motion where the particle or object can repeat its position after a fixed interval of time. Here, here, an object or particle can repeat its position after a fixed interval of time. This is the special thing, that what we call here the an object or particle can repeat its position after a fixed interval of time. Object or particle can repeat its position in fixed interval of time. ये तभी होगा जब ऑब्जेक्ट ऑलरेडी मोशन में है. मैं ये कोई एक स्ट्रेट लाइन में आप कार चला रहे सट से आप सीधा निकल गए, आप गाड़ी चला रहे मोटरसाइकिल चला रहे सीधा निकल गए, तो वो रिपीटेशन वाला मामला नहीं है. रिपीटेशन जैसे ये है, सपोज आई जस्ट राइट दिस हियर, यू कैन सी दिस पेन कैन रिपीट इट्स पोजीशन after a fixed interval of time. Or we can just say suppose this is a pendulum. This is also a case which can repeat after a fixed interval of time. Here, the motion of such pendulum will be said to be periodic. Okay. अब पीरियोडिक है, इसके और भी हम लोग डिटेल पे देते हैं, वाइब्रेशनल है या नहीं, ऑसिलेटरी है या नहीं. रिमेंबर, all type of motion which is oscillatory और वाइब्रेटरी, जो कि वाइब्रेशन करते हैं, ऑसिलेशन करता है, तो वो भी पीरियोडिक होता है. बट एवरी पीरियोडिक मोशन इज नॉट ऑसिलेटरी और वाइब्रेटरी. तो हम लोग सबसे पहले हमने देखा पीरियोडिक मोशन. पीरियोडिक मोशन में क्या देखा? अ मोशन विच इज रिपीटेड इन इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम is called periodic motion, or in general what we call an object or particle can repeat its position after a fixed interval of time. Here in a periodic motion in in a periodic motion, an object or particle can repeat its position after a fixed interval of time, and that fixed interval of time is called as your time period. Remember, whenever anybody can ask you what is time period or periodic time, it is in fact the minimum time between it is a minimum time interval at which the position repeats its position. Okay, time period, it is the minimum time between two position. It is the two position of a body. It time period, what we call, it is the minimum time between two position of time, two position of the body, which is repeated. Okay, which is repeated. That means we have already said repetition is there. Main thing what we have said that टाइम पीरियड क्या होता है, जिसमें एक जनरल जब ऑसिलेटरी वाला केस होगा तब अलग डेफिनेशन होगा, उसमें हम ये कहेंगे इज द टाइम टेकन टू कंप्लीट वन ऑसिलेशन इज कॉल्ड टाइम पीरियड. लेकिन एक पीरियोडिक मोशन के लिए हम लोग क्या कहेंगे, इट इज द मिनिमम टाइम बिटवीन टू पोजिशन ऑफ अ बॉडी विच इज रिपीटेड. ओके, जिन दो पोजिशन के बीच बॉडी रिपीट कर रहा है, जैसे मान ली ये पोजिशन आया, ये गया, अभी रिपीटेशन नहीं हुआ क्योंकि ये एक साइड का मोशन हुआ, एंड देन इट रिटर्न्स बैक. तो ये दो पोजीशन हुआ, दो पोजीशन के बीच का जो नेट टाइम हो गया जिसमें कि बॉडी रिपीट कर रहा अपने पोजीशंस को, इट्स मोशन को, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द पीरियोडिक टाइम. it is the minimum time between two positions of a body which is repeated. Okay, or it is that interval of time in which body repeats its position, or it is it is that interval of time in which a body repeats its motion. ठीक है, तो बॉडी रिपीट इट्स मोशन, तो ये तो केस हो जाएगा आपका पीरियोडिक मोशन के लिए. तो जब हम लोग पीरियोडिक मोशन देख लिया, तो इसके बाद हम लोग जस्ट नेक्स्ट देखेंगे कि व्हाट इज ऑसिलेटरी मोशन. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी आर टेकिंग ऑसिलेटरी मोशन. क्लियर? ऑसिलेटरी or vibratory motion. Simply, here we have oscillations and vibrations. Basically, oscillations and vibration एक ही चीज के दो नाम है. They are the same thing. We have different type of interpretation. Oscillations and vibrations are also periodic motion, but there is one exception. That exception is that here there is one reference point also, or mean position also. Anything, any object which can repeat its motion about a fixed mean position, then that type of periodic motion is called your oscillatory motion. Okay, that is very important to note that any at any object or body when repeats its motion on both sides of a fixed point, then such motion can be called as oscillatory or vibratory motion. Here, it is the difference between the previous type of motion. Previous type of motion is a general thing that we call as that periodic motion. Periodic motion is when a body moves in such a way that it repeats its position after a fixed interval of time. After a fixed interval of time, whenever it repeats its position, then it is periodic motion. But if that repetition takes place about around a fixed point or both sides of fixed point, then the same periodic motion is called as oscillatory or vibratory motion. Any object or body when repeats its motion on both sides of a fixed point, then such motion is called oscillatory or periodic motion. Okay, कैसे हम लोग इसे मानेंगे? जैसे मान लो suppose we are considering this as the pendulum, and pendulum is although it is not a string but it is maybe a thin massless wire. Now suppose I am moving it like this. Here you can see about a fixed point, this central point, fixed point, it moves here and then come back to this, then here, then anyway it repeats its position with respect to a fixed point, and that fixed point is your मेन पॉइंट, उसको मेन पॉइंट भी कह सकते हैं. ये स्प्रिंग है. String can be considered. Now, the motion of each turns of the spring will also be kind of your oscillatory motion. अगर मैं spring को से छोड़ दूँ, that you can see, then it can have the motion like this. It can have the motion like this. Then this could also be some sort of what we call oscillatory motion. ठीक है. तो अब कोई भी चीज अगर मैं हम लोग देख सकते हैं, सपोज वी आर हैविंग दिस रबर बैंड, and and if we just plug the upper portion of the rubber band, and then whatever motion you are getting, this is also called vibratory or oscillatory motion. There are many things where oscillatory and vibratory motion is there. तो जिसमें कि रिपीटेशन होता है लेकिन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू अ फिक्स पॉइंट रहना बहुत जरूरी है, और फिक्स पॉइंट के अराउंड अब रिपीटेशन होगा, उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, दैट दैट मोशन इज कॉल्ड ऑसिलेटरी मोशन और रिपीट और वाइब्रेटरी मोशन. ठीक है. तो एक तो कई चीज हम लोग एग्जांपल दे दिया. रिमेंबर वन थिंग, every oscillatory or vibratory motion is definitely a periodic motion, but all the periodic motions are not necessarily be a oscillatory motion. जैसे मैंने एक उसमें स्ट्रिंग में कोई एक पत्थर बांध के ऐसे जो घुमाए, गोल गोल घुमा रहा है, तो ये सर्कुलर मोशन हो रहा है, और आफ्टर कवरिंग इट्स टाइम इंटरवल इट रिपीट्स इट्स पोजीशन. Okay, but that is periodic motion. Periodicity is there, but that is definitely not your oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion के लिए एक ही मेन पोजीशन होनी चाहिए जिसका दोनों तरफ होगा. वहां पर दोनों तरफ नहीं, ये तो अब ये पूरा चक्कर लगा रहा था, दोनों तरफ नहीं, एक डायरेक्शन में वो चल रहा है. That is not periodic motion. That is not oscillatory motion. But here, in case of oscillatory motion, what we have, जैसे मैंने एक ब्लेड को, एक पतले से रेजर, if we just insert that razor into a hole and then we plug it, ऐसे ऐसे करके उसको हिलाते रहे, then there also you can get some sound, you can get some vibe, some sort of motion, and that type of motion is your periodic your oscillatory motion or vibratory motion. The vibrations, guitar, sitar, जितने भी instruments है, musical instruments, whenever we when we use any musical instrument where some stressed wire is taken, and whenever we just give some produce some vibration, sound is produced. Okay, and additional thing, whatever sound, that is different thing. But main thing is that motion, that type of motion is definitely a vibratory motion or oscillatory motion. And before we do further, we must know certain physical quantities which are very important for such motions. Some definitions are there. In any kind of oscillatory motion, suppose in any oscillatory motion, we represent something, a function of time. That is, a function of time could be equal to either cos omega t, like something function of time like this, or function of time is another function of time is sine omega t. If we do like this, if we write mention such type of function of time, that is time has some oscillations, if it is represented by either cos of some angle or sine of some angle. Remember, this is a very important thing. And here this function can be like this. Suppose we are having cos theta. It is definitely like this. It is 0, pi by 2, and here it is pi. This is your 3 pi by 2, and this is 2 pi. 90, 90, 90, and 90. And this is your ft. And if we write gt, it will begin with 0. This is 0. This is pi by 2. And this is your pi. 3 pi by 2. And this is finite 2 pi. This is your gt. तो यहाँ पर दो अलग अलग साइन के फंक्शन हम दिखा रहा हूँ, और साइन और कॉस के फंक्शन है। तो ये जो टाइम है, अगर कोई टाइम इस फॉर्मेट में है यूज कर रहे हैं, तो उसको हम लोग क्या कह देते हैं कि इट्स मोशन इज योर oscillatory or vibratory motion. Remember, whenever a body can have oscillatory or vibratory motion, then the time taken by any particle of that motion can have the function like this, either ft or like this, or gt is given like this. Remember, I have not said anything like displacement or say amplitude, frequency, like that. I have not said anything. Remember, here we have to study, in the present chapter we have to study a very a special type of oscillatory motion that we call as simple harmonic motion. Simple harmonic motion or simple periodic motion. Always remember, simple harmonic motion is a special type of periodic or harmonic motion. Sometimes we call periodic motion as harmonic motion also. It's very obvious. The simple harmonic motion क्या है? It is a special type of periodic or harmonic motion where a body can not only repeat its motion after a fixed interval of time, but also it has a fixed point also, mean position also, that it repeats its position about both sides of that mean position. Number two. Number three, that it must take place along a straight line. It must take place along a straight line. And number four, there is always a restoring force at any of the point where that body will have a tendency to come back to its mean position. That is also very important thing for such simple harmonic motion. So next, what we discuss, simple harmonic motion. The simple harmonic motion is it is a special It is a special or special type of harmonic motion which takes place along a straight line along a straight line and it has a fixed mean position about which the motion is repeated. This is what we have said for you. I am just giving you the closer look. It is in fact it is a special type of harmonic motion which takes place along a straight line and it has a fixed mean position about which the motion is repeated. Okay, that means it is a special type of oscillatory motion. Okay, it is just not ordinary periodic motion, but it is kind of a special type of oscillatory or vibratory motion. It is related to oscillatory motion. Every oscillatory motion, we know that we have a certain fixed point about which body can repeat its motion to and fro or up and down. To and fro मतलब ये जा रहा है तो ये जाएगा to and this is fro. Okay. If anything is repeatedly held like this, any motion is repeatedly held like this, or we can have its vibration like this, like simple pendulum. There, if we can consider that that motion takes place almost along a straight line. सिंपल पेंडुलम के केस में ऐसे 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 करेंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा एंगुलर डिस्प्लेसमेंट लेंगे तो वो सिंपल पेंडुलम सिंपल हार्मोनिक नहीं होगा. For simple harmonic motion we need to have very small angular displacement. तो वो एंगुलर डिस्प्लेसमेंट हम लोग को होगा जो हम लोग नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखेंगे. ये एंगुलर डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या होता है, पीरियोडिक टाइम क्या होता है, और साथ ही साथ आपके और भी कई फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज होते हैं, एंड हाउ वी डिराइव द displacement formula for simple harmonic motion from circular motion, that we have to discuss in our next lecture. But for the time being we have to strictly do only with the significance of periodic and periodic motion. Okay, with that we have completed today's lecture, and in the next lecture we will definitely take all the mathematical parts. Thank you.